cream out.
Have we got any? Right.
Let's remove it before use. What's it?
That thing.
Oh, you moved that.
That one's level the cat litter and that's manual cleaning.
Oh, okay.
I mean, if you just read the instructions.
Position the new litter box next to your cat's existing litter. Allow the old one to become dirty. So I wanted to give you a quick demonstration of how this works. So I've just gone and loaded it up with some clumping litter, which you should use for this. I'm going to demonstrate it with this, because this is all clean. Let's press this button. And it does take a minute. All the litter is going into this compartment here so it doesn't fall out. And the chocolate will go into the compartment below. When you want to empty it, try that. And before you even pull this out, you can pull the pull string, and I'll just take this out. So I've set this up next to the old cat tray. We're going to let the one on the right get dirty, the old one, and see how long it takes for them to transition to the new one, and see if they actually start using it. So this has been here 4 days now. If we open it up, so to change it, all you need to do is open it up, pull the pull strings and take it away. We're going to just put the new bag in. So we've had this tray just over a week now, and I can't recommend it enough. Inside it's still completely clean with no clumps, litter or anything sticking, and the whole thing is pretty clean as well. If you compare this to one of the old ones where the rakes get dirty. In the new PetPivot tray we've had to do no maintenance to it whatsoever and just left it to it, whereas this one was set up about 3 days ago and it's already stuck.